I ain't got no food today. What y'all doing? Hey, y'all okay? Hey, it's okay. Early in the morning, came to check on the cows. Before I start my day, I always make sure I check on the animals, make sure they're secure. You know, get my work day finally started. It's unique being able to watch them every day, how they just growing. They love to eat grass. They never stop eating grass. Hey. But sometimes I just like to sit and admire them. It's a beautiful thing. I love just watching them every day. We gotta get some more hay.